Hey everybody, Lorraine here. I am going to try a Dutch pour today with the blow dryer. I've done this before with a straw. I have not done it with the blow dryer. So I'm going to give it a try, see how it works. I have a Deco Art Metallic Berry. Put a puddle of that down. This is an ultramarine. Excuse me. And a light magenta. And a gold. So, I'm supposed to put the white around. Blow dryer. And now turn the blow dryer on. So if you have your volume up, turn it down so it doesn't blast your ears. Wow, that's pretty cool. Kind of lacking a center for me though. I'd kind of like to have the petals coming in a way that it shows some division. Let's see if I can. Bring this in. This went right off the canvas here. Do a little bit with it. See if I can change it up a little. Kind of like that gold center to be a little bit more dominant. Take the blow dryer to it again and see what happens. Okay, got a little bit too close right there. Didn't want to do that. Maybe I can close that little gap in a little bit. I think I probably should go with a little less paint. And work it a little less. But it's very pretty. You can see where I touched it a couple of times. I'm gonna give it a torch. See if there's any air bubbles in there. And see how it dries. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and if you click on the bell, then it'll give you a notification when I put out new videos. Again, thank you. Bye.